Hello friends, today I'm going to quickly go over your directions for your Hot Topics assignment. This is the assignment that is found in our Hot Topics drawer when you have that station in math. So I'm going to do an example. You will have a different number that you will do this with. So I'm going to pretend that today's number is 247. Okay, so that's the number I'm going to write in my middle box. Over here, I always like to start on this side and kind of work my way over. This box says draw a picture to show this number. So I'm going to draw a picture to show 247. That means I need 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. Okay. Down below, I have 100 here, and I'm comparing greater than or less than. So I just have to write my number on the line, and then think about, is 247 greater than or less than 100? Definitely greater than. Okay, down below I've got word form. Do your best spelling. So I have 247. Okay, if you're having trouble with spelling, you do have that half sheet of paper that I gave you in your math folder. You'll need to pull that out and it will show you what each number, what word it goes with so that you can have help with spelling. Expanded form. That's when I have to expand out my value. So I have 200 plus 40 plus 7. 247. I expand it out just like I say the number. Then I think about, what is 247 plus 10? I know I just have to move my tens digit to make it 257. If I take a 10 away from 247, I know that I have to look at my tens place number and go down a 10. I have 237 plus 100. Now I have to look at my hundredths place number, that 2, and go up 100. So now I have 347. My numbers before and after. So it says number here. This is where I put 247. That's my number of the day. And I have to think, what number comes right before that? Just one before. I've got to look at that ones place number, 246. And then what comes right after? 248. My last job is to kind of draw another picture, but this time separate it into hundreds, tens, and ones columns. Okay, so just like my picture, except this time I'm going to put my 200s in the hundreds column. I'm going to put my 4 tens in my tens column. And I'm going to put my 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in my ones column. Okay, so this is what your paper should look like at the end. And this is a great way to practice those place value ideas so that we don't forget them. So since we learned them in the beginning of the year, we want to keep reviewing so that we keep it fresh in our brain. Make sure you put your name at the top, and then make sure you put today's date. So I'm doing this example on 11/9/2020. You may be doing this on a different day. It could be the 10th of November, the 11th. So whatever the date is for the day you are doing this activity, go ahead and put that on the line. Make sure when you're done, you turn it into your turn in folder.